The Schuberth name has been synonymous with helmets combining the highest demands for safety with maximum wearing comfort for 90 years. We've been making motorbike helmets for over 50 years, and for over 10 years, with our Formula One helmet, we've been developing one of the safest helmets in the world. We want the best helmets in the world for the best drivers in the world. This was the vision driving our development team when they started work in 2000 in the Premier League of Motorsport. With us right from the start, Michael Schumacher. After many successful years with Michael in Formula One, we made a racing helmet for him in 2007 to use in the IDM, the German Superbike Championship. After his first career, he decided, I'm swapping over to motorbikes, and he needed a helmet to do that. This led to our engineers having a new vision, the development of the first helmet for motorbike racing. Schumacher has been working assiduously on the SR1 with our engineers. It is continually being further developed and perfected. The goal, the perfect synthesis of form and function. As soon as the first prototype has been produced at the Magdeburg production site, the tests commence in our own wind tunnel. Well-engineered aerodynamics is enormously important, especially for a sports and racing helmet like the SR1, and at speeds above 250 km per hour. In addition, features like an adjustable helmet spoiler provide the rider with the opportunity to have their own say. We have put particular emphasis on optimum aerodynamics, and that means behavior independent of forces, which in turn means the lowest possible lift forces, lowest possible resistance forces, and lowest possible forces when turning your head, as well as the least possible buffeting at high speed. Every Schuberth helmet is handmade and thus unique. The helmet moulding blank is manufactured under high pressure from a glass fibre reinforced Duraplast matrix. When cutting the openings, a stream of water at over 3000 bar ensures the highest possible level of precision. All helmets are grinded manually, with the slightest unevenness being removed immediately. In our environmentally friendly painting lines, the SR1 is given a total of 4 coats of paint. Once again, the leitmotif is zero defect tolerance. And again, after every processing step, quality control. In order to make the ride as relaxed as possible and allow the rider to focus, we've paid particular attention to aeroacoustics with the SR1. Carrying out numerous tests in our own acoustic wind tunnel, unique in the world, has led to the creation of a helmet with excellent features. Helmets available on the market nowadays typically produce around 95 dBA at 100 km per hour. The SR1, in comparison, is now at 87 dBA, almost half the acoustic level. Our specially developed noise reduction system enables the rider to customize the volume in the helmet. Every individual working step with Schuberth is taken while focusing on the manufactured final product. Our specialists need up to 2 hours per helmet to apply the elaborate racing decoration. Love and passion, even in the smallest detail. Here at Schuberth's, the whole really is more than just the sum of its parts. Just how accurately we work is shown in the final assembly phase. The high-performance EPS inner shell and the hand-sewn interior filling are added. This means the SR1 has passed through 35 pairs of hands to this point. A top-range sporting helmet has been created. In spite of weighing only 1,300 grams, the SR1 clearly meets every safety standard there is. The ventilation allows for an air supply of 12 litres at 100 km per hour, made possible by 2 proactive, dynamic inlet vents in the forward area and a 2-way chin vent. All air vents are individually adjustable according to temperature and driving situation. 2 air outlet vents are located beneath the rear spoiler. The visor is embedded in the helmet shell in such a way that it cannot be ripped off in a fall. With an optical classification of 1, absolutely distortion-free vision is guaranteed. Our push-release system allows for maximum quick visor change. The SR1 enjoys an excellent reputation in the paddock. Test drivers such as Stefan Nebel or Ari Voss are helping us to make continual further improvements. The guiding principle, however, remains the same. Higher safety demands with maximum comfort, and all of that made in Germany. The SR1, the perfect synthesis of form and function.